Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to insert windows into our 3D drawings in AutoCAD MEP. So the first thing I'll do is to change my visual style to 2D wireframe. Then I'll go to Home and select Windows. So as usual, I will expand this. Okay, I can expand it a little bit. So as usual, you should be careful. You can change your visual styles. Go back and select Windows. You can change your visual styles to whatever window design that you want. So you can see this is a glider, there is a steel window. So you have different designs. You have awnings. This is like a vertical sliding window. So you can check out different design styles. This casement, double casement. So you can choose any design you like, really. So I'll just leave it at the default style and check my width. My width is 600, so I'll just hold down escape to confirm my width. There is a window here based on our Xref, so I will hit DI enter. Then measure from here to here. So you have 1.5. This should also be the same, so I'll just confirm it. Okay, 152. So click on Windows, scroll down, set your width to 1500. Your height would be 1250. Then make sure it measures to the outside frame. Then your sill height should be that's about 4 inches of block. That's 1000. So I can go ahead and insert my window now. So click on this wall. So just be careful, position it before you assume. Okay, yeah, it's well positioned. We can always confirm that later. Then I'll go be careful, just hit this edge. You can see it's not well positioned, so all I'll do is just go drop it on this particular edge, then hit escape. Just delete this other one. Okay, then let's look through. I think we have windows at the toilet and windows at the bedroom. So let's check the width of those particular windows. So I'll type DI enter again. Okay, we have 600 mm. So I'll go hit on Windows again, scroll down, set my width to 600. My height would be 750, that's 3 inches. Then be careful, go to your sill height. My sill height should be 1.5. So you can hit the wall that you want the window to be positioned. So I'll click on this and check, yes, it's well positioned. Then be careful, you can hit this. So not so certain is well positioned, but I'll have a look at it on 3D by changing the visual style. So let's check it out. Okay, it looks good. So let's look through. Is there any other window that needs to be set up? So I'll switch back to my 2D wireframe. Okay, basically all my windows have been set up. So let's put it on the top view, plan view. Yes, I think we are good to go. So this concludes this tutorial. Thanks.